Hey guys, Jon Dugan here with Kuehl Honda, and we just got in today a 2023 Honda Pilot TrailSport that I'm going to go over with you. It's in the diffuse blue sky color, which is exclusive to the TrailSport. So go ahead and show you the profile of the vehicle here, and I'm going to kind of go through some of the features. So obviously, just like the Sport that I had in here, it's got the 3.5 liter V6, 285 horse, 262 pound-feet of torque. It's got 18-inch shark gray wheels, black fender flares, and then you're going to have the all-new Trail Watch camera, which is positioned right there. Got that real aggressive front end. Black side mirrors, black door handles to match. It's got an 18.5 gallon fuel tank. TrailSport is the only Pilot that comes with a trailer hitch. As you can see there, you got your rear skid plate. There's your TrailSport badging right there. Power lift gate on here. Got your black Pilot badging right there across the black strip in the back. All-wheel drive, of course. The TrailSport only comes in all-wheel drive. MSRP on this is going to be $49,695 for a non-premium color. Now, it does have a 1-inch lift on it, and then it's got the skid plate underneath the front as well. So that skid plate is going to protect the transmission and oil pan, as well as the gas tank. So if you're doing any off-roading, that's what that's going to protect. It does have the trail torque logic, which is when you're in the trail mode. And what that's going to do is it's going to send, when your rear wheel, if you're going through like a V-ditch, your rear wheel is going to be lifted off the ground. So what it's going to do is it's going to take 75% of the available torque and send it to the wheel that has the traction, or which one would be grounded, and then the other 25% is going to go to the wheel that is off the ground. There's that suspension. That suspension is actually made for off-roading. It's actually off-roading suspension in mind. But those skid plates can support the vehicle's entire weight if you were to crash down on, say, a rock. And then the Trail Watch, which I'm going to go over inside the vehicle. Now, once we get inside the vehicle, which, shut the door here so I can actually turn it on for you. The Trail Watch if you select your drive mode to trail, you get the Trail Watch camera. And this Trail Watch camera has a couple of different angles for you to view. There's the left driver's side profile of the vehicle and the passenger side profile of the vehicle, as well as an overhead augmented reality view of the vehicle, so you can see exactly where it is depending on what kind of terrain you're going on. Now, this will stay active as long as you're under 15 miles an hour. As soon as you go over 15 miles an hour, that's going to deactivate, but as soon as you drop below 12 miles an hour, it'll reactivate. Pretty cool feature. Now, inside the vehicle, you're going to have the 9-inch touchscreen display. Heated seats is going to be in here, as well as wireless charging. And then you're going to have your trail mode as well as your tow mode for your 7 different drive modes. The seats are going to be embossed with the TrailSport logo on the head restraint, as well as the orange stitching, the orange contrast stitching, I'm sorry. Same features as the Sport, but then you're going to add a couple more. You got your 2-position memory seating here as well. Power lift gate which you didn't have on the Sport.
Sorry.
And in the back of the vehicle, you're going to have 2 captain's chairs. So no available 8-passenger here. Rear climate control, USBs and power supply. And then you have your 3rd row. You're also in the TrailSport going to get the panoramic sunroof. You have your power lift gate. And storage compartments in here. Power lift gate is going to be able to be adjusted. You can program your height to however you'd like. If you'd like your height to be set right here, you press and hold this button, and it's going to remember that height for you every time you open and shut the vehicle's rear door. So when we go to open power lift gate, it's going to remember that spot that I set. If you want to raise it, you just raise it up to where you want it to be. Press and hold. You'll hear the double beep, and that's it. Now this TrailSport, this diffused blue, only comes in the TrailSport. There are other colors available. Now, a lot of questions people will ask is what size wheels? 18-inch wheels. You're going to get 20-inch wheels on the Sport, 20-inch wheels on the Touring and Elite. It's got a 72-inch ride height as opposed to the 71-inch ride height on the Sport, 71-inch ride height on the Touring and Elite. You will have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on here. Wireless charging, as I already touched on. 9-inch color display inside the vehicle and a 7-inch driver information display. You do have all the Honda sensing features in here. So I just want to get out a quick video on it so those people that were interested in it had a chance to see it, especially in this blue color, because this is an all new color to the Pilot lineup. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 319-800-1333. Otherwise, if you know somebody in the market for the vehicle, as always, share the vehicle with them, or share the link to the video with them so they can take a look at it. All right, appreciate you guys taking a watch. Drop a like and subscribe. Thanks.